KudiMaster 4 installation on macOS is a simple two-step process. We first recommend to temporarily disable any security software that may impede the proper installation of KudiMaster 4. Enter your security and privacy settings and select Anywhere. After the installation, you can then go back and change your settings. Step 1. Once the KudiMaster 4 files are unzipped on the desktop, double-click the package file and follow all directions. Enter your password when prompted. Make sure to select Yes to clear previous preferences. KudiMaster 4 requires an account setup or registration. So, step 2, click on the Cloud Connect icon, create a new account, enter an email, and click the Sign Up button. Go to your email, click on the link, create a password which will then be used to sign in, and proceed with the registration process. Accept the terms and conditions. The registration process is finished. Go back to the SAI Cloud Connect icon, enter the email you used and password you created, then click Sign In. Once signed in, you can proceed to using KudiMaster 4. Open Illustrator. Open up a new blank document. Create a simple shape. Go to the File menu and look for the KudiMaster 4 option, then click Cut Plot. At this point, your plotter should be connected via USB and turned on. The model select window will prompt you to select the correct model and port.